Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Tech. So today we're going to continue with our application, store application. Like store application is an e-commerce, so we're going to continue. We're going to add some images, some products, and we're going to style a little bit more. So if you have any questions, if you have like any concern, just commenting our comment section. Ask a question below in the comment section. And then next time I will get back. I will do a video about the comment about all you need to learn about React Native. So like today we're going to figure out like to style a little bit more, and then after that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we're going to learn nodejs, like to build our own API and then connect it with our front end, which is store. So please share and like this video and share this channel with all your friends so that they can learn also. So I'm so sorry because I did not like the video next time. Sorry, but I was so busy. I had a project, so good. But anyway, I'm there. So if you have any question, you can ask. So I'm going to help you. Please help me to push out my channel to share it with your friends. So today we going to talk about to learn on page and then salary bit, navigation and so on. So let us move on. So I just want to go inside my project folder, YouTube 2025. So there's an error. YouTube 2025 and React Native and then store. Open it with Visual Code. Okay, everyone. So there we go. We're back again with another with this video. This video is very helpful. So this is what we did last time. I didn't touch it, so I was waiting for you guys to learn or to get it to move on or together. So this is our nav bar, right? Good. So I just want to highlight the status bar. So here I come here and then type status question about the source. So I don't have like time to. So let me do this folders, and which is not necessary. Um, don't need that. So today I'm going to push up with this code, my code on GitHub and share the link in comment section. So just so you guys can help me to push up my channel since it's still new and I want to grow it as well. Thank you so much. So we're going to import status bar. Status bar would come from React Native, and we can import it as well. And then status bar style, we hope it's now good. Status bar, good. Bar style, and then in bar style we have to choose one because since like our background is black, I wanna do that. I wanna choose like height lighter content, then the background the background let me save this and then see what will happen. This is not working here, so I know it. Our background should be black as well. So you won't see it here because in our home page we didn't set it yet. So let us set it again. Start bar, come here. Stars, status bar, and then bar style. Come here, hide content. With content, limit home page. Good. Let me refresh my application. Let me refresh my application. Hey guys, I've just refreshed my application and now you can see the status bar at the top there, so you can see the status bar. Yeah, it's very beautiful. So let me go back here. So I'd like to add some style and some menu there. So just want to add cart, you know, cart icon and search bar, something like that. So to add search bar, you can come here, create a component, right? So React is like it's built with a component, right? So if you want to build your application where you need to create the component, right? So when you create a component, so that one will help you to use it everywhere in your entire application as well. So search bar, search bar component dot js. Yeah, I'm using this snippet so that can be like very easy. So inside there to create like a variable which will be usable in any component, you need to put bracket, and then inside the bracket you will name it your component. Yeah, you know. So now I want to create a component which is a search bar, right? Good. So now I want to do this placeholder, placeholder. Here, I just want to write placeholder. So to use to uh, like to create it, we need to import input text input, right? Text input is from React Native. We need to import text input. Let us close it. Inside text input, we need to write placeholder. Placeholder will be our placeholder we have just defined here. I will show you how to use it as well. Placeholder, and then I will also I would like to store the value, and value will be this value. So I will show you how it works, and change on change text function will be also this function on change text function on change text. Come here, write on change text, right? And what am I going to do now? So yeah, everything's okay. So status bar. And I want to use an icon, right? So to use an icon, we need to install it, like expo icon. Just type expo icon and then it will bring you here. First, click there, right? And these are icons. But first, to use it, we need to install it first, right? It is not installed as well, but we need to come here, type again, expo icon, expo, no, sorry. Um, we need to import it first. So to install it and then import it as well. Expo icon. I'm there. Come here. Expo icon. Oh, this is useless stuff. So install expo icon. You need to type like install expo icon. Good. Come here, expo vector icon. Just copy this command. Come here and then install it. So I don't want to install it in this PowerShell because it will cause me an issue somewhere. So I just want to use this. So YouTube, YouTube 95. Okay, I'm here. Enter inside the React Native, and then come here again. Enter inside the my store. Right now, press this one, mpx export vector icon. Right, and then once I'm there, I want also to install like to install all dependencies to install all the but only this one will help me to go through everything. So just want to check. Yeah, it has been installed. So now come here, right? So I will use this one. Just copy this command. Okay. Once you're there, come here in your project. And I close this, paste it here. Means we have imported. And then come here, import the icon to use it as well. So I just want to replace this text by the icon. Good. Now we are ready to go. So good. And now what am I going to do right now? So just want to style it as well. Come here, put stylus dot contain. So I need to write to declare this variable called stylus and then use import style sheet there. Style sheet. I have imported style sheet. Here use style sheet dot create and then come here. I want to create style for container. So container, then inside the container, first I need to give a background which will be which will be white. So will be a little bit white. Will be white, not black. So a little bit white. Come here, right? So first I need to import this component in our navbar. So that we can use it as well. You can see it. So now here I need to create a view, you know, create a view. You can create many view as many view you want. So to create a view for uh, like for status bar, for search bar as well. So just want to import search bar here. Search bar is there. And now, so this variable we have just created there, this variable like placeholder, we're going to use it here, right? I have customized my my search bar, right? So I can come here, type placeholder, then there I can type like search bar, like search product. You can customize everything, right? Search product. And then now I paste it, will be able to see it somewhere. But because it is our color is like, but I cannot see it. I don't know. Text input. Come here. I've just import it. Hmm. Okay, everyone. So, like, there we go. As you can see, we have our search bar there. So, search product, and it's very beautiful. But now you can, as you can see, there's icon which is right a little bit at the top, but we need to fix it. And let's come back in our style. Come here. So first, let us style there. So let me write opacity. Opacity should be 1, and padding should be 10. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. And so border radius, border radius should be 10 also. There we go. And yeah, so let us leave it like that. But uh, let me write one thing. So okay, flex must be 1. Let's see if we put flex 1. As you can see, it's like it's small, it's small, right? So let us leave it like this. So flex must be 1 first. So flex must be, we need to create another view. But we can only start with this view, but we need to create another view for it to work as well. So the second view will be stylus and then start this. So let's create the bar a little bit like bar, only this. And come here, it will cause an error because the bar was not created. Come here, bar, now it will be okay. And it will be okay now. Good. So now let me do this. Let me do this. Let me copy all this stuff, come with it here, and paste it right down. Let me increase this. It's like as it is 1, the one is not good. Okay, it's 1. First, let us go back to our nav bar and then remove this flex. Okay, now we have just removed our flex. But as you can see, I cannot see like anything there. Let us put it back. when I do this, it's like good. Okay, let me remove it first, right? Now come here. Instead of use flex here, I will just let us remove this and then style it as well. As you can see, now everything is there. So it's not necessary to use flex, but I need to style something. Okay, let me put it back. Flex direction. So first direction must be row. First direction must be row. Uh, you know, it's like good. Let me leave this. I will style it later. So let me use this one flex. Um, Let us remove padding first. Okay, we need to put the padding. Padding 40, for example. Everything like it's okay. Good. I will style it as well. Okay, let me put it like this. Just you need to test it as well, like test your style and everything. You know, in a bar, flex direction. Let us put this one in colon. Then see what will happen. Good, it works. So now I just want to put a line item. Line item will be in the center for this icon to match with this search bar. And let me as you can see, everything is good. Now let us put margin there, which will be 10. Good. Margin is 10. And yeah, everything is good. Everything is perfect. So let's try to type there. There we go. So like let us now style this input, right? Input, we're going to style this one. Like let us write stylus input. Come here, right? Mm, Input, because we have already have input there. So input font size will be 18. Good. Now you can see font size. But okay, it's good now. We are ready to go now, right? Good. Now, you can add other style as well if you want, but I just want to leave it like this, you know. But I don't want to add the button. But if you want to add the button, you can just come here, add the button. But I don't want to add the button because I'd like whenever I use type a name of a product inside this search bar, uh, it might show the product directly. And come here, just want to increase a little bit this icon. Yeah, it's good. It looks good now. Yeah. But the, that's how you can create things. And now this value and on type change, we will use it by using the hook state, right? So let us close it, come back here in the nav bar, right? So we don't need to add other stuff, but I want to write down cart, right? So come back there, right? Right, search for cart icon, cart, right? So we want this, copy again. And with this cart, I will also create a component called the cart icon, for example. No, cart component. Get cart component as well. Cart component. Then in a cart component, I want to paste my link I have just imported, and then come here import also a cart component. Come here paste it right down. And in a cart component, in this cart component, I want to render the name like ads. Yeah, just want to render the name, but you can render another thing, but and then after that in the cart, right? In the middle, I would like to render the just only this. So in the name, I will come here. So I've already this one. View your cart, view your cart, and then style it as well. And also write container. Then come here, style it a little bit. Style it a little bit. So style sheet to be imported automatically. Then create package and then container. Style it as well. Flex direction. I want it to be row, so it must be in a row. You know, my flex direction will be in a row line. Item will be centered. You know, and margin will be 10. And then padding will be 10 also. Good. Uh, and then good. So let me import cart here. So to import it, I want to write also a view. Okay, let me just import it cart. I don't want to multiply view inside. No way. I want to import cart component. Now I want to render this. Cart view must be in the name. So like, let me write title. Name is something else. Title. View your cart must be in title. I think you see what I'm doing, because I can just come here, write a variable, and then render, and then use it everywhere inside of my application, and that's how it works. So come here, title, and title, you want to write view your cart, view your cart. Now let us see what will happen. Now cart is there, everything is there, but we need to style it a little bit. So you cannot see anything yet. You cannot see anything yet. Background. You cannot see anything yet because cat is black. Let's put it white. Yes, you can see now. And this text is not rendered. Title. Why? So let me see. component. So we have just styled it like this. And let me try to write the flex here. It's not works. Why this text is not showing? Let me style it a little bit, but it must show. Okay, let me style it. It's because it's a black also. I want to style. I did not realize that this one is a black. So good. Write this title. Come here. Title. Title color. I want to write it white. There we go. We can see now. So now font size will be 18, right? And font weight will be bold. But I just want to minimize this. Good. Now it's good. Now we need to put this card right here, right? And then this view, your card will stay here, right? So to do this, just come here, write justify content, and then put plus space between, sorry, and then do it. As you can see, everything's a go, right? Yeah, that's how you can style stuff. But this card must be a button, right? Even this view, no, so this card must be a button, right? So just come here, import what we did last time with our button, import um, touchable opacity, right? I've just imported touchable opacity, replace view by touchable opacity. Come here, replace view again, touchable opacity, right? So, but here everything will be pressable. Even here it will be pressable. That's not good. Just let us do something different. Come here, touchable opacity. Copy. So I've just put my card icon inside the touchable opacity. So now here I need to put on press. On press, come here, invoke on press function, and then put my variable on press inside. So it will be used everywhere, on press. Then come here, style it a little bit. I just want to put a style at the padding so that it can be like touchable. But padding must be n also. Yeah. Now I can come here, press. As you can see, it's good now. When I press that, it should direct me in the card page, something like that. So we're going to create it as well. So good, let us leave it like that. But now it's time to to code in our home page, right? So it's time to create in our home page. Sorry, I had some issue. So now let us come back in our home page here and come in our component folder, write product. product list, and then point.js. Come here RNEFE. So our product, come in home page, change this name to product. So like leave it like this. So I don't want to run the home page. So come here, import product list is there, and then put it down there. So as you can see, product list is rounded. So now I must come here. So I have some images, right? I have some images in my assets. So let me remove this, but okay, let me leave this like that. I will remove it later. So I have iPhone and then iPhone 11, right? So now what are we going to do? Because we need to show these images there. I just want to create another folder, name it constant. A folder, name it constant.